Hey everyone, this is Chase, the Rocky Mountain ATV, and this is our October giveaway. What's going on, everyone? We are back with another giveaway for the month of October. This year is flying by, but I will be honest, I don't think 2020 can go by fast enough. But as always, we want to show our appreciation to all the people out there who subscribe to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, who follow us, who comment, who watch the videos. Thank you so much. We would not be here if it weren't for you. And if you haven't yet, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. Stay up to date because we are constantly filming awesome videos like our top 5 series, our how-to videos, our product spotlights, our ride reviews. We've did our 5 miles of hell series and our enduro cross challenge. Get subscribed, watch all those great videos. It's an absolute blast. We love our job, but we wouldn't be here if it weren't for you. So for October, here's what is up for grabs. We recently filmed a video, a top 5, where we showed you our top 5 picks for accessories for a dirt bike under 20 bucks. So the winner of this giveaway is going to take home all top 5, all the 5 items that we talked about in that video. Here is what is up for grabs. First up, you have the Nihilo Concepts Lever Wraps. Great little item to have. They go over your levers. You cut them to the correct length, you get them hot, they shrink on there. It just gives a little bit of added grip to your levers. I use them on my dirt bike, I love them. The other item is the Tusk rotating bar clamps. If you don't have breakaway levers, I say that these are a must-have accessory because you notice that there is a plastic sleeve on here and it eliminates metal-to-metal contact, and this will just go right to your clutch perch or your brake master cylinder. What's great about this is that when you have this installed, if you do go down, rather than bending or breaking your levers, your clamps can just rotate on the handlebar to help prevent that. This again is something that I use on my dirt bike. It has saved me from breaking my levers time and time again. Awesome to have. Another great item that we had in that top 5 under 20 bucks are these end plugs from ODI for your handlebars. If you're like me and you hate ripping or tearing your grips when you go down, this is a great way to combat that. The way it works is pretty simple. You cut the end of your grip off, you install the end plug, and then you just tighten down this Allen screw inside here, and it will automatically lock onto the end of your handlebar. So now you've added excellent durability to your bars, and you don't have to worry about damaging or tearing your grips or even your throttle tube if you do go down. The other item, Tusk Folding Shift Lever. These are awesome. They're inexpensive, right around 20 bucks. A lot of cool colorways to choose from depending on the bike that you have. And it is a folding shift lever, so again, we're just talking about durability. If you go down, this will bend this will fold out of the way versus bending or possibly breaking, adding to the durability of your shift lever. And what's cool too is that this tip is replaceable. It's anodized, has a cool look. And also you have this knurling on here just to give a little bit added grip to the boot. And the 5th and final item that we had in that top 5 that we are giving away, it's one of my all-time favorite accessories. I've had this on all my motorcycles for years. It's these Acerbis Foot Peg Covers. If you've ever gone through a rut, you drag your foot peg, you go to put your foot back on there and it's stuck straight up in the air, well, that's because mud packed up in there. If you want to prevent that from happening, that's what these are designed to do. I love these things. And that is what is up for grabs in this month's giveaway, all 5 of these items. Now, if you're probably wondering what do you have to do to win, I'm going to explain it. This simple. Get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel if you haven't already. Comment below and let us know what motorcycle you have that these parts are going to be going on. And then we want you to comment and tell us what are some of your favorite top 5 ideas for videos. Like I said, we do our top 5 series where we give a lot of great tips, whether it's riding tips or we talk about our favorite accessories in different categories. We want to hear your thoughts. What would be good ideas for a top 5? Once you've done those 2 easy steps, you're automatically entered to win. Couple things you want to know. This contest will run from the 9th of October through the 16th. You want to check back a few days after that to see if you have been selected as a potential lucky winner for this giveaway. You got to be 18 years older, and this is just going to be for the contiguous United States. If you want to see a breakdown of all the rules, simple, just click on the link. But aside from that, from all of us here at Rocky Mountain ATVMC, again, thank you so much for supporting us. We love what we do. We want to make you guys happy. So always get subscribed and stay up to date. I am Chase, and we wish you luck.